Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can link pages on Canva. So in my presentation I have this example of table of contents, and if I press on any of these, then as you can see I have these links created that are going to different pages, and I'm going to use the presentation mode in order to show you how it looks like. So I'm gonna click present, and then if I click, let's say, on 5, then I should be redirected to page 5, and there we go. This is how it looks like. So as you can see, it is page 5, works fine. In order to create such a thing, what you can do is create a text box that will be used as a link to a different page. So these are separate text boxes. I have this one that isn't working yet. This will be for page number 8 over here, which is just an empty page as it is named over here. And in order to create a link to the page, what I can do is right click the text box. Then over here I have link, so I'm gonna click that. Over here I can scroll down. I have pages in this document section, and then I can scroll down to select my page, my desired page. So in my case it is the 8th page, so I'm gonna click that, and that's pretty much it. Now I can press done, and it is working. As you can see, it is underlined just like any other text box over here. And if I go to present, and once again present, then I can click on page 8, and obviously it is empty, but it is page 8 as it is also indicated over here. And that's how you can link pages on your Canva project. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.